All right, what's up, guys? I'm Ryan Tuerck, and we are here at my new race shop, or I guess you could say like 411 Works headquarters and also Ryan Tuerck Racing headquarters. There's been a lot of work going on in here. Let's check it out. It's been a long process, a little over a year to get to this point. Cleaning, painting, again, painting everything. Everything needed paint, everything needed something. My vision is finally here. And then Snap-on coming on board to support the vision and outfit this place with an unbelievable setup of tool storage, hand tools, power tools, like all the best stuff in the world. This is where the majority of the service stuff will happen for the current cars that are finished. So we have the Toyota Stout here. I've had this car for a few years now. And every time you drive it, it needs quite a bit of service. On a hard mounted engine with a motor plate, it just vibrates the crap out of everything. It's like you're continuously finding another bolt that needs thread locker on it so that it doesn't rattle loose. Probably one of my favorite vehicles to drive is a Stout. And then you have my newest vehicle here, which is the Toyota Celica, and something brand new to me, which is an all-wheel drive platform. I've been driving rear-wheel drive cars my entire career, 20 plus years, so learning something new that is very much backwards in many ways of how you drive an all-wheel drive car is gonna be a little more difficult.
I don't think we got it. We gotta do it again.
This is my main practice car. This is a 2013 FGR 86, 3-liter, 2JZ, 4-speed, GSR transmission, Kenda 295, Fab front and rear, 40 ST suspensions, and this is a perfect practice car for me. Yeah. We got a brand new lift from Challenger Lifts. This lift is gonna end up going, and here I'm just kind of calling the dirty room because tire machine, transmission teardown bench, parts washer, I have my gym set up. That'll all get cleaned up and all redone once this kind of gets a little more organized. So one step at a time, you know? It takes time to do these things. This is actually my old toolbox. I wasn't into the purple trim at first, so I actually ordered black trim, but then I just said, you know what? I'll just try to let it grow on me. But then I go from this, which it has grown on me, and then I come over here and I now look at all these toolboxes that are the red, traditional red with the black trim, and then the East Coast car has like a very similar vibe to it. That's like it for me. The red and black is killer. It's like a pinch me moment, dude, to have all this stuff in here. A lot of the people that also helped renovate this shop have all been friends of mine that are that either in trades or just people that have come to just help me in general. In a year to get it all done, it feels it feels like the last 3 weeks have been the hardest for sure to get it to this point. And then out back here is where I have been learning to, progress my skill set on welding with the Snap-on welder. I have a manual lathe. I have a 2-axis CNC machine over here. It looks a little empty in here, but there's a couple more pieces of equipment that will be showing up soon. And then there's a back building that has all of the 411 Works product. So this building originally was collector car storage. The previous owner built this place in 2006. It's actually a really nice building. It has radiant heat in the floors. So it's a really perfect situation to house all of our parts. So everything's on the shelves over here. It's a little messy and a bunch of overflow cars. The Formula Supra's back there. My original 240SX. The GT4 that I originally bought before we built the actual race car GT4. I have a JZX100 back there that's kind of waiting for me to do something with. Some friends' cars that are being stored here. And then what I'm really pumped on is within all the chaos that the last couple weeks have been, I found a really good deal on an older Haas VF1 CNC machine. So this is a 3-axis. You can't let a good deal go down. So I had to jump on it. Yeah, so this is my garage. There's still a bit more to do, but the bones of it are here. and the finished stuff is here. So just a little bit more stuff, like hanging things on the wall and like finishing this room and whatnot. But I'm like beyond excited. Every time I come in here now, it's like a pinch me moment. Like I'm so stoked to be here and to work and jam on cars.